Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to implement something cool in FLutter. I'm going to implement the contact list, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how I'm going to install this package. I found this package on internet here. And as I always, the way I do it, I come to the package. It's called FLutter contacts, and I go to the example just to find how they have managed to do the example. Then I can from the author, I can just replicate. So seems like I have a problem here when I try to run. So what I did, I just took this page here and included it in my project, in my sample project, so that I can see if I can load the contacts. So that's what I did, nothing special. Then I am running the FLutter to see if, there is some change. So, okay, now it seems like I have a bug, so I have to do FLutter clean. Okay, now I have to place F5 on my keyboard just to debug again. You can see that it is debugging. Yeah, so basically I want to load the contact. I want to show the contact much like WhatsApp. So see, let me try to show you what I'm trying to do. Let me try to see if I can see the WhatsApp screenshot, because what I want to do is for me to load the contact much like WhatsApp, how it does. So let me see the contacts here. Okay, so I want to do something like this. No, not like this. What is the contacts? WhatsApp. So like I'm much more like inspired with how WhatsApp load the contacts when you are about to create a group and so on. So that's what I'm trying to replicate here. So, but I cannot find the screen here on internet. Let me try to find. Yes, niba naona screen rero. And wait, is there any website where I can find like screenshots of all application? Let me try to see. So that would be amazing. That would be let me try to see, because I think I've seen it somewhere where they have, where they list like screenshot of app. Let me see this one. That's not what I wanted, obviously. Oh man, the debug seems to have a problem, because like so say the Android Gradle plugin support only Kotlin Gradle plugin version 1 permission handler. Yeah, so the issue is, okay, is with this, is this permission handler. So let me go to the pub spec here. So once I go to the pub spec, let me try to see the version that can work. Try to see here. I think 2.3 something, 2.13, 2.2. Wait, this is 2.20. Okay, that didn't work. So let me go with this. Okay, let me go with this just to see if it works. Try to debug again. When you save the FLutter, the VS Code extension is going to automatically install everything for you. So, and I think this video will be helping anyone who want to start FLutter, because like I'll be showing you how to debug FLutter mostly, because that's just the issue most of devs faces. So now I've installed it. So now I need to go back to the main page and see if there is anything broken within these permission things, because like sometimes when you bump up the version, it fails to to catch up with the new version of plugin you are using. So now it is so good. Let's move forward and let's debug again. F5 again. Control Shift Y just to go here to debug console and just wait again. Let's go back to, is there any app? Hey Google, is there any app I can use to see the screenshots of app? I know Google doesn't respond to me,
Here's what I found.
Oh, okay. What did you find, Google? Okay, that's not what I found. What I need. That's not what I need actually. Let me see. I think it's called screenshots. So I'm thinking of like where I can see the screenshot of all popular apps so that I can maybe cross-reference with my new app or something like that. So maybe I can do something like app then trend screenshot, something like that. But let me go to here, see what I get. No, this is not what I want. Man, I think I had it somewhere and I forgot it. So let me go to Pinterest. I think I can find something there. Let me keep an eye on our app. Let me open the device so that you can see the app. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put WhatsApp. See what I get here. Okay, seems like I get some screenshot here, but not. Chat, it's okay. Man, I cannot find it. Okay, what if I, designer inspiration? Yeah. Okay, let me find seven, surprising sources of designer. Let's see if I can find something there. Let me see if I find something there.
What's up, everybody?
Yeah, it's obviously taking too much time to load. Yeah, so you can see that it is compiling. So now this is something that you need to expect when you're developing Flutter, because sometimes it need to compile the plugin, and this plugin may use some platform specific codes. If it is an Android, it is having some Java code in background, so it need to compile them so that it can be used with Flutter. So sometimes if your machine is like mine, it's going to take like a lot of time to compile and have the code running. So which is okay if you have the budget machine. So let me see my okay, okay, close this. So now if you don't know Visor now, it's it's a tool that you can use to preview your Android devices, and so that you can see it on your laptop or desktop, which is an idea to it's an ideal to have it so that you can preview it. Like right now I'm using my device to debug the Android, so you can see the preview of it. Okay, so now it's going to compile. So once it's done, you'll be able to see it on here. So it seems like I cannot find the website I found. Like, for design inspirations, not just the simple inspiration actually, but the inspiration like you could get the screenshot of all these top trend applications, and learn from how they approached some design specific challenges on how they have solved some issues in design. So that was a good source, and I'm pretty sure I have it somewhere, but I cannot find it. Cannot find it here now. Okay. So it's taking too much time. Now it has built an APK. Now it's going to insert it on my device. Perfect. Anyway, so finally it's going to install it. So it seems like it is now installed. And if I can show you, this is the blank screen that shows like when FLutter has not done with drawing the first frame on the screen. You can change that from the white to anything you want as a splash screen, but to me, I didn't change it. So now I have two buttons. I can go to the contact list. Seems like we have an issue here. Okay, now it's just got the contact, much like what I wanted. So there is a bug here. Let's see. So there's this bug called says exception has occurred. Platform exception. F5, F5, F5. See where it goes. Okay, how to solve this issue? This issue is killing me. So keep hitting F5 just to see if the issue, because like you might have a lot of contacts, and like from a simple guess, this is like there is a thread within Java code, and this thread is having the size that it should pull, and that's the size might be like too large for this thread to handle, which like I can set like how many contacts that I need to load per a single thread. So if I can say that. So let's see. So the issue is that it doesn't stop there. It's just okay. This is what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to see how they have loaded the contact, because remember you have copy pasted the example. So remember I have this code this here. Okay, remember I had this code before, but the only difference is that here now I'm loading the contact and I'm passing some flags. And so I want to go back to my old code because I believe it worked very fine. And going like this. Then I think this is the green the next one. Then I'm going to go back here to, okay, I'm going to go back and update the pub spec to be the highest one of permission handler. Then once I do have it, I'm going to kill this so because it is hanging there with no response. And then I'm going to go here and import. So I'm going to just wait these things to to finish. To finish installing, and I'll be able to see this error gone. So, and this is one of the things I think is good for on this channel that you cannot find anywhere else, is that unlike the other channels where they show you the finished products, here I show you the challenge, the issues that you might face, so that you can be surprised, because the other tutorials is pre pre-thought, if I can say, pre-arranged. Everything's working 100%, and you don't get how you can debug skills. So now I'm going to go to the example, and I'm going to just this is the contacts. So I'm going to come here and copy this line of code here into like this. Then this is going to be a Boolean value. So then I'm going to also say that I need the thumbnail, and okay, it's saying a list of contacts, and this is this is a list of contacts we have. Then we can debug again. Okay, now there is a bug here. Say okay, false, please. Also here say false. False. So another thing that I need to take care of is let me check. Is to put this code in try and catch, which is I'm going to do here. So before setting the state, okay, I'll do it. I have to make it try and catch. Then I need to move this code within try and catch block. Then I need to come here, copy paste this line of code here of what I want to catch on from okay, let me see, contact list. Okay, let me say fresh contact. Okay, I don't know what to catch on, so I do like this. So whenever there is a catch, I will need to print it, and I don't know what that bug might be. So any bug, any things that I'll catch it. So I need to format my code a little bit nicer, because the good formatted code is just the starting point of you becoming a good programmer. So now with that done, let's see what I have here. Let's look at this. Okay, let me go back. Maybe I've copy pasted the wrong way. Okay. So now I need to come here, cut it, put it here, and here I'm going to print error, just like that. Then I don't need the semicolon there. Then I need thumbnail there. Good. So now everything's okay. Now I can F5 to debug it. Okay, so now at the bar I clear the code a little bit. So let's see what we got here. So let me see what we have from the contact. So we are able from this list to get the display name, the given name, the middle name, the company, the job title, the email, the postal address, the avatar, birthday, Android account type. Okay, so we can get pretty much a lot of information here. So you can see something interesting, that you can even have the emails associated to this person, and this is amazing. And okay, get the name, but I cannot get. Okay, I can get the phone number of phones, which is amazing because it's a contact list. That's what you should be expecting anyway. So now let's see what we get. Okay. What do we have here? So one thing is that like my machine now has 8 MB of RAM, but for FLutter seems like that is not enough. Like I need a big machine with like 32 GB of RAM so that I can do anything I want so fast and so cool. But I'm not there yet. So this is something you notice, like compiling take a lot of time, because FLutter is going to compile a lot of things in the background and try to build every plugin you use to the native specific platform. If you are running on Android, it's going to build the code for Android. and iOS and so on. And this is where compiling can take a lot of time, especially the first shot, the first try of compiler. It's going to take a lot of time. And yeah, so this issue happened a lot even in other framework like Angular, Vue.js, like when you have a lot of dependencies and you need to compile them, it's much likely it's going to take a lot of time, more than what you could expect. So it seems like it has finished to compile, and now it's building the APK. Now we are ready to see if the code is working. So what we are doing here, we are creating a list of contacts, and we save this contact in a variable called contacts, and we are using these contact services to get the contact, and we pass the default parameters we are expecting from it, and we say that we need a terminal place, and we need iOS localized labels to be false, because I'm not on iOS. But as you can see that let me see. Okay, let me put the debugger here so we can know if we have any issue here. Let me see. So in each state we are calling get permission, and with get permission we are calling this get or contact. And let me save again. Let me try to refresh again. So now you can see that it is hitting here, and when I go here, now it's going to this line of code, and I'm going to wait. Nothing comes, it doesn't come to this line of code, which means that this feature is not finished yet. So now this is where I'm going to go back to contact list, because this is the example that worked. Try to see why it's not working. If I can show you my screen that is now empty. So let me see. So how it does here. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see what has caused these things to contact details. Okay, so the way I see it is that this refresh contact was a feature. So let me do this. Let me do it this way. So let me come here and let me say that. Let me copy this function just to see the difference. And you come here and we are going to come here, say contacts. Let me see. Let me see. So this is going to be a list of contacts. So we have already the contacts, and we are going to make contact this one be this, and that's what we update here. So instead of getting these all contacts, I'm going to call this feature fresh contact within here. That's what I'm gonna do. So which means gonna hit these fresh contacts, and it's going to select from here. Then it's gonna set this here, and it's gonna hit here. So refresh again, see if something has changed. Okay, it is hitting there, but seems like it's not hitting here. Oh, let me see if it hit here. Okay, so I'm hitting there, but then nothing's happening. So I don't know why it's not. I don't know why this line of code is not hitting here. So let me put this to false, just to see if for some reason that maybe that might be the cause. Nope. What about if I put these things into here? Let's see if it here. No, that should not be. That's not right. So that should not be right. So even in the background here, You see nothing really, no bug, nothing. So let me go back to my example, but okay, let me clean this up and let me do this because I don't see why are you not updating? Yeah. Yes. Okay, I'm going to post the video, so then I'll post another video showing you how I managed to fix this bug. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.